Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add padding on margin on left side or right side on mobile layout for WooCommerce archive pages like shop page, category page, tag page in WordPress. So this is a mobile layout but you don't see any space on left and right side. On desktop layout is good. You see padding on margin on both sides. But on mobile layout you don't see any, so we are going to add it by using custom CSS and we are going to use media query also. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS and we are using median screen maximum width 1024, so you can add number in pixel like 767, 768 according to requirement. Now we are going to paste. Now add. Now you see we added WooCommerce archive site main, WooCommerce single product site main, and then you see padding left 20 pixel, padding right 20 pixel. So you can add margin or padding, so it's up to you. And then click on publish. Now publish done, go to mobile layout again and refresh the page. Now you see space added on both right and left side. We added padding left and padding right. So this CSS only apply on maximum width screen 1024, so you can add number 767, 768, so it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.